Exercise 2. Where are they from? Task A. Look at the map of Britain. Please listen and write down the people's names next to the place where they come from.
1. My name is Kevin Smith, Kevin, and I come from Edinburgh. Edinburgh is a very beautiful city. You're welcome to my city.
2. My name is Sue Jenkins, S-U-E, Sue. I come from Newcastle.
3. I'm Peter White, P-E-T-E-R, Peter, and I'm from Liverpool. Liverpool is one of Britain's major ports and has an important shipbuilding industry.
4. I'm Sally Green, S-A-L-L-Y, Sally, from Glasgow.
5. My name is Richard Lee, R-I-C-H-A-R-D, Richard, and I'm from Cardiff.
6. I'm Mary Snow, M-A-R-Y, Mary, and I teach in London.
7. Hi, I'm Steve Hansen, S-T-E-V-E, Steve. I come from Manchester University. Manchester is one of the large industrial centres as well.
8. Hello, I'm James Smith, J-A-M-E-S, James, from Belfast. Belfast is the capital of Northern Ireland. It's a beautiful city and is well known for its shipbuilding.
9. Hi, this is my friend Linda from Nottingham. She studies at Nottingham University.
10. Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Chris from Cambridge University.